And another area where questions are being asked is how exactly those Simi men were able to escape from the Bhopal jail, a prison that is meant to have multiple layers of security. An NDTV investigation shows how those safeguards broke down.
Viewed from Google Earth, Bhopal Central Jail is like a box within a box within a box. The barracks housing close to 30 hardened Simi prisoners inside the final box. On its website, the jail proudly displays its ISO certificate. But in just a few hours on that Diwali night, all those claims unraveled as 8 Simi accused in 3 blocks, A, B and C, managed to pick their locks and come out of their barracks. 3 of them part of a similar jailbreak 3 years ago. Even so, there are 2 sentries assigned to each block on a 4-hour shift.
But as NDTV has learned that because of Diwali, the alertness levels were little low and also the patrolling was a little light that night.
As the jail guards Rama Shankar Yadav and Chandan Ahirwar made their rounds, one was waylaid and brutally killed, one was tied up. The memory still traumatic to Ahirwar.
But यादव जी की कोई यादगार कुछ कहना चाहिए उनके बारे में?
The men then scaled 3 walls, 2 of them 18 foot high, the third and final wall 25 foot high, all undetected. For this they improvised a ladder from bed sheets and wooden planks. Astonishingly, the jail minister admits CCTV cameras that covered this route were not working that night.
मंत्री जी कहा जा रहा है कि सीसीटीवी जो थी वो कुछ कैद कर पाई क्या?
हाँ, कुछ फोटो तो उसमें है, लेकिन अब हो सकता है कि एक आध सीसीटीवी कैमरा खराब हो गया हो.
A guard posted on the watchtower who could have easily spotted them did not raise the alarm, the suspicion that he was asleep. The minister says she doesn't rule out an inside job.
क्या आपको लगता है कि अंदर से भी किसी ने उनको हेल्प किया, जेल के किसी लोगों ने?
ये तो जांच में ही सामने आएगा कि अंदर से भी सहायता मिली है, और अगर अंदर से सहायता मिली है और जांच में सामने आता है तो उसे निश्चित रूप से सजा मिलेगी और बर्खास्त किया जाएगा.
But a top jail official, however, says that given the number of Simi accused packed into this jail, a disaster was waiting to happen.
मध्य प्रदेश के पूरे सिमी के आतंकवादियों को एक साथ रखना कहीं ना कहीं एक जगह पर रखने से उनके षड्यंत्र वगैरह बनने का कार्य हुआ. हम लोग सदैव प्रयासरत रहे कि उनको अलग अलग जेलों पर रखा जाए, परंतु
नहीं रख पाए. सिमी के कितने लोग थे टोटल आपके जेल में?
29 आतंकवादी जेल में परिरुद्ध थे. यदि प्रदेश की अन्य केंद्रीय जेलों में परिरुद्ध होते तो संभवतः इस तरह की घटना नहीं हो पाती. खंडवा ब्रेक के बाद में निर्णय लिया गया
कि सारे लोगों को एक ही भोपाल सेंट्रल जेल में रखा जाए.
With Manas Singh and camera person Xavier, Srinivasan Jain in Bhopal for NDTV.